This is why they fuck with me. Right after the head, I tell them I gotta leave, cause I'm trying to stay sucker free. They say I'm a dog, well that make them a fucking flea. And now I understand why they asses so stuck on me. Luckily, I be feeling good in my bucket seats. Thug motivation, my coupe costs $103. Mind of a hockey player, you could suck a D. I'ma reach my goal and you ain't gonna take this puck from me. Yeah, Coca Loso in my Stanley Cup. Y'all can say whatever, just don't bring the family up. Who could fuck with me? Everybody hand me up. But when we set the date, bet these niggas stand me up. I'm down to earth like gravity, but man we up. Women get around me and they cannot keep their panties up. Your boy drop jewels, you niggas should ante up. This is food for thought, you bitches fill the pantry up. As I get older, I be looking at what rap breeds. A bunch of tatted up niggas who can rap weed. And I ain't saying I'm exactly what rap needs. I'm just a swagged out nigga in a rap P. With a 3-year-old that I'm trying to be here for. Road to the riches, and my gift is my vehicle. And I ain't talking about that Aston Martin, even though I bought that for my birthday. The lines I come up with, they pass the margin. Yeah, I write my best shit on my worst day. And that's the shit that gets you richer. Turn a negative into a positive. Get the picture? People say I changed. It's not me, it's the money. It's the middle of the winter, but it got me where it's sunny. And I'm not just being funny, I know no other way. Let's just finish off this Riesling and roll another J.